In a world that is constantly on the move, the demand for automobiles, consumer durables, infrastructure projects and transportation is at an all-time high. And so is the role of steel in everyday life. They are everywhere. At home, at work, on the roofs, along the road, in the sky and even at sea. Steel is also increasingly replacing material like wood, aluminium, plastics and other metals for its longer life, superior aesthetics and economy. Asian Colour Coated Ispat Limited, or ACIL, has carved a niche for itself in a highly competitive and demanding steel industry, riding on the vision and entrepreneurial spirit of its founder and chairman, the late Mr. R.K. Agrawal, who set up the first cold rolling mill in Bawal in Haryana. The company today has built an impressive portfolio of world-class steel products that include cold-rolled coils, galvanized and galvanum coils in plain and corrugated forms in a wide variety of spangles. But what sets it apart is its array of color-coated steel coils in never-before sizes, textures and colors. To augment capacities, it has set up two modern plants at Khopoli near Mumbai and Ras Al Khaimah in the United Arab Emirates, apart from the existing plant at Bawal. The state-of-the-art facility at Khopoli plant is all set to roll what is possibly the country's widest color coating line at 1650 mm.
This is the widest complex being set up. When you say widest, pickling I can give say 1800 wide till the color coating which is 1650 wide. In the pickling, since it's a semi-continuous line, the line will not stop for the coil ends, unlike the other lines where normally it stops. We have oiling machine, which is the electrostatic oiler, which means which will give a very confined oil film, starting from say 1 gram to 3 gram, whatever the customer requires. Why is this important? Because oiling as a feature is to prevent the rust. But excess oiling will also create a problem, not to us, but even to the customers.
This compact cold mill is equipped with features such as auto gauge and flatness control, CVC plus technology and laser X-ray system that ensures consistently superior product quality. The fully automated cold rolling mill at Bawal has an installed capacity of 0.4 million TPA, producing cold rolled steel coils and sheets in the thickness range of 0.13 to 3 mm.
During the last 6 years, we have almost captured the 80% of the market of nearabouts. In pickling line, the total capacity is about 4 lakh tons and we are already running about 70% of the capacity, in which we are processing HR pickle wire also, and this material we are supplying to the all component manufacturers to the auto sectors.
The machinery is a blend of indigenous and foreign technology. These energy efficient, cost effective and latest technology plants have been established and are being operated by a highly experienced team of professionals, project consultants and suppliers. Right from stage 1, quality is what sets its products apart. Quality checks are performed at every stage, leaving nothing to chance. Stringent in-process checks ensure a product that is superior in terms of durability, strength and life.
We at ACIL believe in delivering goods and services to our customers of right quality, at the right time, at the right price. Quality is our motto.
The hallmark of every endeavor that ACIL is engaged in is quality, reliability, and exemplary customer service.